Affirmative sentence. I go to school. Interrogative sentence. Do I go to school? Negative sentence. I don't go to school. Negative interrogative sentence. Don't I go to school? Affirmative sentence. They ride bike. Interrogative sentence. Do they ride bike? Negative sentence. They don't ride bike. Negative interrogative sentence. Don't they ride bike? Affirmative sentence. We play cricket. Interrogative sentence. Do we play cricket? Negative sentence. We don't play cricket. Negative interrogative sentence. We don't play cricket. Affirmative sentence. He swims well. Interrogative sentence. Does he swim well? Negative sentence. He doesn't swim well. Negative interrogative sentence. Doesn't he swim well? You write books. Do you write books? You don't write books. Don't you write books? I read books. Do I read books? I don't read books. Don't I read books?
Affirmative sentence. We play cricket. Interrogative sentence. Do we play cricket? Negative sentence. We don't play cricket. Negative interrogative sentence. Don't we play cricket? Affirmative sentence. You write stories. Interrogative sentence. Do you write stories? Negative sentence. You don't write stories. Negative interrogative sentence. Don't you write stories? Affirmative sentence. She drinks juice. Interrogative sentence. Does she drink juice? Negative sentence. She doesn't drink juice. Negative interrogative sentence. Doesn't she drink juice? Affirmative sentence. He drinks tea. Interrogative sentence. Does he drink tea? Negative sentence. He doesn't drink tea. Negative interrogative sentence. Doesn't he drink tea?